Morning peeps. Today I am driving this morning off to London to get something for my T4 that I've been trying to get hold of for a very long time. You can't really get them in the UK. Well, you can, but it's not as easy as America. I'm off this morning to get something for my T4. It's going to be game changer styling wise and sound wise. So yeah, this morning I'm off to London to get something that I'm quite excited about. So yeah, stick with me and we'll go and see what I'm going to get, shall we? Take the little work van, shall we? Be easier in London, I think. Don't forget my sunglasses. Let's go. Don't mind the mess, my girlfriend's currently moving in with me. Check my hair. Yep, I ain't got none. Let's go. We just got to London, we just picked up the bits. I'm not going to show you what it is yet, so I'm going to close this and wait till I get home to show you guys. You'll have to wait. We're about to head back now. Bloody hate driving in London. Right, gonna head back. Let's go. Here's my lovely van, and here is the parts I went to get. Proper side pipes. You got to imagine them fitted to the van. Obviously I'm going to be removing my sidebars, but it's going to have proper sidebars fitted, side pipes even. The other one for the other side. This one's got a bit of chrome peel, but I think once they're fitted to the van, they're going to look fucking bloody awesome. So, not sure whether to have them here, or I think I'm going to have them at the back, and then I'm going to do some kind of pipe coming down here, wrapped in that exhaust wrap stuff. But there we go. My van is about to get very loud. Very loud indeed. Hell yeah. So there we have it, people. That is what I have got for my van. Only a short video today, but I'd just show you what I was going down to London to get. I'm excited about them. Yes, some people might think, oh, what's that piece of crap? But it's hard to find decent side pipes. Do you know what? To be honest, it's mainly about the heat shields on them. That's the most important bit. I can make any pipe, but it's the heat shields on the outside. I might get them re-chromed, or I might just leave them rusty. I'm not sure. But I think having proper side pipes coming out the side of my van will finish it off. I think it'll look epic, and it's going to be bloody loud, because I might even just straight pipe it. And with the 2.45 cylinder I've got in it, I reckon it might be bloody loud, but it will suit the image. So thanks for watching another video, people. Don't forget to go and like and subscribe, because it does help me out. So yeah, cheers for watching.